Hey Eddie, this is Larry Powell, Circle P Marketing. I just wanted to get this quick screencast over to you. I'm going to give you a quick website audit. We're going to look at some high search volume keywords that I think could generate a lot of quality traffic headed to your guys' website. They're going to look at what the competition is for those keywords and what you guys have to do to get to the top spot. So looking at your guys' website, I do like the layout you guys have. I really love that you have your contact form up here on top. Make it super easy for potential clients to get a hold of you guys. You have the click to call numbers, which is fantastic. With as oftentimes people are doing mobile searches these days, it is very important to have those. I really like the pictures you guys have on here. I mean, it's a really clean website. One recommendation I do have for you guys is the amount of content you have on this homepage. There was a recent study done by Google where they tallied up over 1 million different websites across multiple niches. What they found from this is the top ranked sites in all these niches had at least 1,500 to 2,000 words of content on this homepage. So increasing the amount of content, you could even just do more of a description for all your different services that you offer. It'd be really simple to add to the content on this. Would definitely help you guys out when it comes to your rankings. Another option you guys do have is for some of these bigger areas, you could build out separate sites or landing pages for these as well and kind of rank them as their own separate websites to where you really are wanting to build up those 1,500 to 2,000 words on those as well. But definitely you guys have a nice looking site. Not really too much to critique on it from the front end at least. So looking at keywords, you guys are ranking for a lot of different keywords, and I'll kind of dive into that a little bit more in a minute. But Painter, Houston, Texas was the big one I wanted to target for you guys. 400 searches per month for that keyword. Being in the top spot for that, right here in this top spot, you can count on getting about 33% of that search volume. So it's a good chunk of people that be coming to your website just for that one search term. So there's a couple different things we look for when we're on Google here. Everybody knows how to use Google, but I like to just give everybody a quick rundown, just kind of explain everything. So this is the Google My Business or 3-pack. There's a couple different factors for how you can get your business in here, but it is very valuable territory to have your business in. So the first factor is it's called citations. Citations is your business name, address, and phone number on the web. So a good example of this would be like a directory listing like Yelp or Yellow Book. These are citation sources that you can get for your business. So the more citation sources you have, the more opportunities you have available to you to get into this top 3. Another one is your organic rankings. So where you sit organically in these ranking results. So you guys are currently sitting at 28th for this search term organically, and you guys are 11th in the GMB. And then the last thing for what can kind of influence if you guys get in here or not is your GMB description. So looking at your guys' GMB. So how optimized out your GMB is a big factor in that ranking. So you really want to make sure all your photos are geotagged with your location. You have high search volume, keyword-rich descriptions on all your photos, and that you also have these keywords in your description as well, so that when people are searching for these key terms, Google knows to pull you guys up in those search results. So those are kind of the factors for how you can get you guys into this 3-pack. Citations wise, you guys are currently sitting at 22. Houston, Texas Painters, who's the top one, they're sitting at 33. So definitely you're not too far off from being, caught up to them for citations. And they're super easy to get done for you guys. So if that's something you guys are interested in, definitely let me know. But looking at the back end of your guys' site, so this is Ahrefs. This is actually what I use for keywords as well. If there's ever anything on this that you want to kind of go in and verify for yourself, they have like a $7 7-day trial. You can go on and verify all this information I'm talking with you about today. So what we're looking at here is what's called backlinks and referring domains. So backlinks, the best way to describe it is it's kind of like a high school popularity contest. So you have the most popular kid in school, or site A, is going to be linking himself to the least popular kid in school, or site B. And by linking himself to site B, it in turn brings up the popularity of that site B and makes it more popular in, let's say, Google's eyes in this circumstance. So what you're looking for on these is backlinks and referring domains. So the more referring domains you have, the better. You can get multiple backlinks off of one referring domain. So what we're really going after is these right here. And you also want these to be do follow. And what that means is you're going to be getting some of that popularity back from that most popular site to yours. So you guys currently have 40 do follow backlinks. with 301, or sorry, 40 do follow domains with 301 backlinks. Another cool feature you can see on this is the organic keywords you guys are currently ranking for. So you guys do have some traffic currently coming to your guys' website. I'm not going to, try to pull one on you guys and say that you don't need, or you need my help. But I think if you look at the keywords you guys are currently ranking for and getting the traffic, painting companies in Houston, you guys are sitting at 4th according to this, and these are rough estimates, and I'll show you that here in a sec. You guys are getting some traffic from this, but I don't know how much traffic people are actually, or how much traffic you're getting for wall painting techniques that are going to be turning into paying customers. So really focusing on the keywords you are ranking for, and that they're going to be generating traffic, not just getting you into those top spots, but people who are actually looking for painters is really what you guys need to target. So looking at the top ranked website, Painting Contractor Houston, Texas is the top ranked. So looking at their website, they do have a little bit more content than you guys, but not a whole lot more. I definitely think if you guys were to go after those 1,500 to 2,000 words, you definitely be able to pass these guys up in the rankings over time. Looking at the back end of their site, they have 51 backlinks from 19 referring domains. And I know what you're probably thinking, well, why do I have more backlinks and referring domains than them and they're still beating me? A big part of that is actually the quality of the backlinks they're getting. So these metrics are also very important when we're looking at this website. So you have your URL rating. What this is the quality of the backlinks along with your domain rating. So increasing the quality of the links you're getting, meaning that they're niche relevant. So making sure you're really getting stuff focused on either the home improvement industry or the painting industry. Those backlinks are going to carry a lot more weight in Google's eyes and really help you guys move up into rankings a lot faster. Getting a backlink on a site that sells, women's clothing or something like that, it's just not going to have the influence on your guys' rankings that you guys could see if you were to get some of these niche relevant backlinks. If you have any questions on any of this, definitely reach out. I'd love to talk to you more. Thank you.